You need midfielders that are smart, that will recognize Guti. Where is the space? Where is the space? He's in the pocket. Watch. Usantos, he comes in the middle. It's Sekhukhune the whole game, they were not pressing, right? Now they have to press. They don't know how to press. Look at the space here. Look at this guy. Upege Gupi, we're supposed to be here. Force them to play the ball to the keeper. But these two guys, they are in the wrong position. Simnandi, you play chair. This guy has lost focus. He doesn't know where he is. Sundowns goes and scores. Tunil, iphelile game. I don't blame them for the second goal. They were defending the whole game. It didn't prepare press Sundowns. But now they've scored. You need to press. Kuvulega, Pagat Nendao, spaces, they go and score the second goal.